If you're looking for a product that sells all year long and not just for holidays, think educational but customizable posters. I was able to create this with Gelato's Personalization Studio and Canva. Here's how. Parents and teachers love these kinds of products. They're perfect for nursery decor, homeschool decor, or even classroom decor. And with Gelato's Personalization Studio, you can make them personalized to each child. When designing for kids, simplicity wins. Big, bold letters, bright colors, clear illustrations that are easy to recognize. But it never hurts to throw a little bit of an aesthetic design element or theme into your product. Like this design I created, I was going for more of a, I guess, kind of vintage style, like old school kind of vibe. So I wanted text that was more traditional, and then the picture or graphic elements I added, I wanted them to feel almost like hand painted. So all of these elements and the text I found and created within Canva. I actually started with a template, searching ABC poster. I think if you search templates for ABCs or alphabet, something like this should pop up. Otherwise, you can always use this as a template. I have linked this exact design down below for you to use as reference. If you want to change it up, if you want to print it out for yourself, I have the Canva link down below for this exact design. Now, when it comes to adding the elements, I literally looked up on Google animals that start with A, animals that start with B, etc. And then went into Canva and searched for those animals, but then searched for them in that specific hand-drawn watercolor style. And once I had all my animals together, I wanted to make sure that they looked good together. So if there was an animal that maybe didn't fit like color-wise or was a little bit too watercolor, or like just didn't really fit all together, I would try and find a different animal or like switched it out. So this was not my original plan, but we got here, we did it, and it's finished and it's lovely and it's beautiful. But here is how you can make it even better and add a personalized element to it. So for this example, I just added alphabet at the top, but here's how you can customize it in Gelato's Personalization Studio. Uploading to Gelato is super quick. You're going to select posters. This was a fine art print, and I believe the size is 11 by 14 inches. You upload your file, and then within Gelato's Design Studio, you're going to select Personalize on the left-hand side. From there, you select Add Text, and this text box is going to allow you to add in a text field that can then be customized by your customer. It's like streamlining the whole personalization process. So instead of getting an order, going into my mock design, manually changing it, then reconnecting it to my order, which is a lot, especially if you're a beginner, it can get confusing. Gelato gets rid of all that middle junk and streamlines the personalization process for you. If this sounds like something you want to try, you can try it out for free for your first 7 days. I have that link down below in the description. And this type of product has multiple audiences. You don't have to create just educational posters. You can relate it more to parents decorating nurseries, or teachers decorating classrooms, or grandparents buying gifts for first birthdays, or maybe christenings or Christmas gifts. Paper products, especially wall art, are huge on Etsy right now. And here's a keyword you can add to your listing to help you stand out. Personalized alphabet poster, kids learning print, and customized nursery wall art. Throw these into your listing or tags. That way you're hitting both the gift givers and the educational decor shoppers. So there you go, an evergreen product that combines personalization with education. If you want to test out Gelato for yourself, you can open a free account. And when you do, using the link down below, you'll get 50% off your first sample order. If you need help with deciding your niche and picking your products in a day-by-day step to help you build and launch and scale your first print-on-demand shop, my POD launch blueprint is linked down in the description box for you to get started with. I hope this was helpful, and I can't wait to see what you create. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. See you later, Rebel.